What's up, everyone? I'm out here where I found the Spanish reale a couple months ago. I got the guys coming out. I'm out here over by the place where I found the Indian head, and I don't know if that's a Model T valve stem or whatnot. Have to clean that up. But the guys should be here any minute, and hopefully we can make a video today. So yeah, it was about right there's where I found the Spanish reale ripped up. I actually brought it because when I found it, I didn't know what I had, and let me stick this up here. Bear with me. So this is the first time I showed the homeowner. So the other piece is around here somewhere. Hopefully we find it today.
As you can see.
Oh yeah.
I found similar things in the past, and it turned out to be like a chariot, but I found a much larger chunk of it.
What'd it ring up at? Oh, that's heavy.
Yeah, it came in at 82. It was about 7 inches down.
That's cool. I don't know what that is, man. Huh. Yeah, you could see the mold right there. That's sweet.
Well, it wasn't made in 1992, so. There's old stuff coming up.
Right? I'm not having much luck down there in the pit. Might go over there and...
It's really good down here.
Yeah.
Up north, everything's...
Alright, so this one was a pain in the butt. Got this big old root right here. It's down probably... See, it's at an angle because I had to go under the root. Every bit of 6 inches, and pop out this. It's another part of a lantern. It was a bucket lister of mine this year, and I found it's my 3rd one. And I'm cool with that because I like it. I think they're sweet. I don't know if there's any more of it down there. I really don't know if I'm gonna even try to get it. Because like I said, this one was a pain. So there you go. Pretty cool. I should be able to get a date off of it on the wheel there. Sweet. Jason here just found himself a button.
No.
Got writing on it?
No, it's got some fancy on the back though.
Check out. I just did a...
Oh, cool. Lantern parts.
Yeah. Dude, that's sweet.
That's pretty cool, man. That's actually not banged up for a lantern piece.
You should see how I had to get that out.
I believe it.
Dude, this button's sweet. Cool, man. Wonder if anyone else is having any luck.
I know.
Okay, I haven't cleaned it off yet, but I'll obviously get a patent date off that when I clean it up. So it's actually very good looking. Look at that
That's sweet.
lantern piece. So yeah, so that was it in there. So
That's cool, man.
yep. More info later.
So that's 2 of them.
Yeah, but you can tell there's writing on there.
Yep.
So hopefully I'll be able to get a patent on that. Hopefully it's 1800s, and probably is.
I'm telling you, the best way to clean those up is, you know, obviously get the dirt off.
Yeah.
Put it in the freezer and then dump it in the peroxide. I swear to God.
Really?
That's how I'm gonna clean mine.
Cool. I will do that.
That's sweet, man. That's all intact, not broken.
Yeah. Chip away at that. Soak it in water.
Right.
Try freeze it. And...
Good find, man.
Thanks.
Alright. Mark's got something. We don't know what that is. Could be part of a lantern. Could be
Might be.
back part of a fluorescent light.
Oh, that's something different on the inside. Yeah, the research head.
Yeah, I have no idea what that is. And Billy found back of a pocket watch.
That's awesome.
That is sweet. Hopefully you can find the rest of that, man. Cool deal. Cool deal.
Definitely relics here.
Right. Let's find some coins.
Yeah, yes.
No gold rings today, Billy.
Did you see the... I'm trying. Did you see... Yeah, that's two. Both his is a good looking lantern top too.
Well, I found this on another hole, which is the base of another one. So, I'd like to clean that up. Get that patent. There's a patent date on the wheel.
Yeah.
Patent date on there.
I found an old button, got a little fancy.
That thing is sweet.
Underwear button, I think.
Yeah, it's got fancy all over it.
That's
I was
cool.
thinking that was the front. That's the back.
So I dug this thing up. Wasn't sure what it was. And I went over and showed Jason. And he's sure that this is a bridal rosette. So that's pretty damn sweet. I don't know if you could see it, but it looks like it's almost silver plated right there. Have to get home and clean that up, and that's a first for me, so that's sweet. Cool. Alright, it's been a minute since I found anything. This was really far down there. I would say 8-9 inches, and I exposed the I think is a spoon. It's loose, so I'm going to try to pull it out without breaking it. Yeah, it's already broken. That is a spoon. That is a thin one too. That is tiny. See if there's any more in there. Well, that's it, but you can see my pinpointer's even with the ground. 8.5 inches down. All right, cool.
Right there she is.
Oh, that's cool.
Definitely old. Looks to be pewter. Definitely pewter.
Yeah, that's the neck. Yep.
I don't think there's anything else in it.
That's cool.
Maybe I'll get lucky and find the rest of it down in here.
Like that reale. That'd be nice, wouldn't it?
That would really be nice. Nice if I could find the rest of the handle.
It'd be nice if one of us can find an old coin.
Yeah.
I mean, seriously, I haven't found anything. I've just been finding, I mean, I'm not bitching, but
Oh, right.
relics, but yeah.
Yeah, there's
Probably a piece of rust.
little fragments or something in there.
Cool, man.
I like those old spoons.
I found one, I mean, it's brittle. I broke them. I might, but I just found some, yeah, those are sewing shears, aren't sewing scissors?
They look like sewing scissors because of the knobs on the handle.
Mm-hmm. That's cool.
I'm no scissor expert.
No, but I know they're old. That's sweet, man. Cool.
My first toe tap.
That is sweet, dude.
Yeah. Kind of weird. Wonder what it would be. I'm not real familiar with toe taps, so you know. But
Seems like all the old stuff has been on this side so far today. Because that's I see it.
yeah,
That's 1800s, maybe even early 1900s, but dude, that's sweet.
yeah, gonna look great in a case.
Yep. Cool, dude.
Awesome.
Good find.
Print. And I think it's right here.
Oh, no shit. You gonna get some writing on it?
Oh,
Dude,
oh, that's amazing.
that has some fancy on it.
It has a lot of cool fancy on it. Holy crap.
What is it?
You got to be effing kidding me. Oh my god, dude.
What in the... Holy shit!
I love finding U.S. stuff.
Dude! Mark!
Billy!
That is sweet, dude.
That is awesome.
He found something awesome, dude.
I actually found a couple cool things. I just found a toe tap a few minutes ago.
Here, you do the honors.
No, give it to him. Oh shit! Damn it! Oh, fucking right there. I'm on my film, am I?
Yeah. I don't give a shit. Look at it. Look what it says.
Is that a hold on, let me see. No way. That is awesome.
That's a find of the day so far, man. That is sweet.
Good luck. That's sweet. No, that's sweet. Good luck. All right,
That's
nice.
awesome.
That is nice.
Yeah, that's crazy.
You see, Sneedy?
I don't,
USN?
it says
U?
US and there's a star in the middle and then stars all the way around.
I said, oh, I issue, yeah. That is nice.
Says it on. Yep, says it on the other side too.
You have to do some research on that, dude. That might be Civil War.
That's nice.
That might be Civil War era.
Like that. Toe tap
Oh, really?
15 foot back. My first toe tap.
Yeah, I haven't found one of those yet.
That's a happy man right there, everyone.
That's nice. That is nice.
That's sweet, dude.
That's nice.
Found me another suspender clip. Old 1800s easily. So we're gonna keep on going. I'm just making my way back to the truck. I'm not keeping that in my pouch, but right where Jason's at is where I'm gonna be at. So cool deal. Mark's up there in the front and Billy's on the side. So come back if we find anything else. All right, this one was a bear to get to. It was down deep, tree roots, and it's an old iron buckle, probably horse tack. Mark found one earlier today, just like it, only without the tongue, he said, so I'll show that on the wrap up, but that's cool. That might come out all right with electrolysis, we'll see. All right, first coin of the day on a new property. It is a 1903 Indian head. Cool. Yeah, like I said, we're at a new property, and we'll see what we got. Billy just found himself his first Indian head, and it is a sweet one. It's beautifully green.
1871, full Liberty. That thing is flawless.
How far down was that?
About 4 inches.
See, dude, mine was only 3. I found mine right there.
This thing was probably dropped close to the year it was minted. It is in flawless condition.
This thing doesn't pick up detail very good, but man, dude, that is sweet.
Hey, to heck with you.
Dude, you can see every detail on his feathers.
Yeah.
When you clean this off, Billy, water. No soap, no nothing. And not even in a long time, because that's, yeah, like you said, that's dropped uncirculated.
Yeah, well, I got a U.S. pocket knife next door. So.
Haven't had any live digs today, so I'm gonna try it out. A lot of road noise here, so I apologize for that. This ground's extremely hard. There we go. This was coming in 83. Hopefully it's not garbage. Right on it. It's out of the hole. It's a coin. It's a wheat. Damn it. It is a wheat. But yep. Found myself a pocket knife. I don't think it's a US issue like Jason found. But yeah, that's why we don't live dig these, because it's just too much traffic noise. Cool. Dude, that almost looks like a flying eagle.
Mm-hmm. Ain't good? I don't know. I think it's a flying eagle penny.
Oh yeah? They rare?
They only made them for 3 years.
They made them for a couple years. They're not. I did find something really cool right up here, which is not metal. This dates back to about the 1700s. But this is a piece of a clay pipe.
Huh.
It would have been a stem out.
All right, so Billy just found this token here. Save for store 3950 Route 43 Brimfield. And the back is, oh, there, it's starting to come off a little bit. Worth 4 cents. And merchandise. That is sweet, dude.
Yeah, it's coming in as a 8590 signal.
That's cool. That's a good find, man. That's even in good shape too for being aluminum.
Yes, it is.
Sweet, dude. All right, so here's my wrap up today. I found myself another lantern part. I'm gonna have to wash that off right there. It'll get me a patent date on that. And then found just another part of one. Found me some sewing scissors, I think that is. 1903 Indian head. A bridal rosette. 2 wheat pennies. 2 pocket knives. horse tack buckle, which is pretty cool. A valve stem. I'm not sure if that's off a Model T or if that's just newer, not sure. Found a pretty sweet suspender buckle clip. Have to clean that off. A little spoon right here. Jason found this live round that's been struck. He doesn't want it, so I'll take it. I think it's cool. And that's it. That's all I found, and I'm gonna give it over to Jason. Oh, if it goes black, just touch the spoon.
All right, so here's my finds of the day, if I can get you guys in here. Nice little pewter spoon here, and there's a little brass rivet. I got a few firsts. This is my first toe tap. Got a nice little decorative button, if you guys can see all the fancy on that. If I can get it to focus. Probably can't. My U.S. flying scent. Never found one. That's a first for me. And then of course my relic of the day is this U.S. knife.
There you go.
So this is the relic I found, this U.S. knife. If any of you have any ideas about this, I need to research this. And then just something cool here. This is a piece of a clay pipe. I found a few before. This would be right where the bowl and the stem connect. I found a few pieces over the years, and one of these days I'll find a complete one. But that's my finds of the day, and I'm gonna pass you guys over to Billy.
All right, now. Didn't start out too well today. Had some lot of iron tugged and dug up. Then I took and ended up taking and finding this little thing here, which is the back of a pocket watch. Couldn't find the rest of it. Wish I could have. Then we ended up taking and finding here a old cap to a milk bottle. Got some nice writing on it. As soon as I get it cleaned up a little bit better, I'll be able to take and read it. Found a few clad. Then this little token, save for store at Brimfield, worth 4 cents. And my first wheat penny of the day. But the best find today was my little Indian head. 1874. Came out real green, real pretty. Looks nice. Had fun hunting. Here's back to Ian.
Alright guys, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, stay tuned. We're gonna be
Here, I forgot to let them know what this is.
oh yeah, the change purse hinge right there. Yeah, so like, subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Next time you see us, we'll be over there at the neighbor's house. All right, peace out.